Hello, my name is Casey Grantham with Shazel Salon and Spa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to blow dry your hair straight with a blow dryer. The items that I'm going to use today are a leave-in detangler, a thermal styler, gloss drops, a clip, a paddle brush, and of course my blow dryer. Let's get into styling. First and foremost, what I'm going to do is spray in a little bit of leave-in detangler. I want my hair to be nice and soft, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this all the way through. Then I'm going to use a few shine drops. A little dab will do ya, and you pull it right in there. I always pull my hair really straight when I'm going to style it straight. I want to start that initial styling right now. Then what I'm going to do is do a really good power dry. Now a power dry sets in the style. So I'm going to over direct my hair, which means pull my hair up and get volume right where I want it. I'm going to use the curvature of my face right here, this C shaping for my bangs and my face framing. This is a really easy thing to do in the morning. Notice how I'm pulling the cuticle of my hair shaft straight down. This initial power dry will set the tone for your style. Make sure when you're blow drying, if you're right-handed, you want to switch to the left. It's not as comfortable, but you really want to be even when you're blow drying. I'm going to get my hair about 98% dry, and then I'm going to go through with my implements. Now that my hair is a lot drier, I'm going to go ahead and clip up some of my hair. Now this still works if you have shorter hair. Move the hair out of my face. And I'm going to split my hair in half, just like this. The paddle brush is the easiest, and it's the easiest to use. So you just go through section by section and soften it right out. Always pay attention to the positioning of your blow dryer and your brush. Again, I split my hair in half. And even if it's shorter, you can still go down, hold it like this, and go ahead and section that out. So you just blow down nice and straight and soft. The more you style your hair straight, the straighter it's going to be. Just remember to use some sort of thermal protectant. You want to protect that hair shaft when you're doing any kind of heat styling. Already looks better. Now when I start to get to the mohawk section, the thing that I'm going to do first is again back to my initial power dry. And I'm actually just going to use my brush and kind of comb it down. Again, that hair is splitting straight to the front so I can still see what I'm doing. Now I don't need a whole lot of volume around all of these sides. Where I'm looking for volume is going to be right in here. This mohawk section is where I want to over direct it. So here again, I'm over directing. That means pulling the hair straight up. Now if I want to use my paddle brush, and it's a really good thing here to invest in a quality paddle brush. Not all brushes are created equal. You want to get one that's really soft and feels really great to the touch. We don't want this snagging in our hair while we're trying to style to make more frustrations in the morning. We only have so much time in the morning. Again here, I'm just going to go ahead and soften out my bang. If I feel like I need a little more volume, it's straight up right here. And then towards the end, all I do is take a couple more little shine drops, massage them into my hands, and pull straight. The most important item that you need for this hairstyle, of course, is a blow dryer. Thanks for watching.